जब भी हम बात करते हैं अपने आप पर काम करने की और आप कोई कॉन्शियस चॉइस करते हो, यू मेक अ कॉन्शियस चॉइस टू take a different action, to go a different way, to inculcate a new habit, there is lot of resistance that you experience. Yes, and then you say, what do I do? I am not consistent. मैं करती हूँ लेकिन फिर मैं रुक जाती हूँ, मुझसे नहीं होगा. And you end up shaming yourself, questioning yourself, and it just goes on and on. Happens. Now, what can you really do about it? Hi, I'm Astha Tatia, your happiness coach, and I help leaders become the most sought after leaders by having deep connects and meaningful relationships in their organizations. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. So, the thing is that, every time that you try to make that conscious choice, which is different from what you have been doing, a default choice already exists जो आप करते आ रहे हो, जो आपकी हैबिट है, जो आपका सबकॉन्शियस बिहेवियर है, राइट? अब आप सोचते हो कि नहीं, ये तो वर्क नहीं कर रहा, मैंने देखा, एंड आई वांट टू मेक दिस डिफरेंट चॉइस. योर ब्रेन doesn't like it, okay? And that's not about you. It's, I would say, evolutionary. It's the design. By design, that's how our minds and bodies are. We do not like it, and we want to go back to what is familiar. जो हमें पता है, मुझे पता है यहाँ क्या होने वाला है, ये बिहेवियर मुझे एट होम फील कराता है, मुझे पता है इसका आउटकम क्या होगा, रिजल्ट्स कैसे होंगे. सो इट्स ऑल फेमिलियर, एंड वी ऑल वांट टू बी इन फेमिलियर place, right? That's why you feel most comfortable when you're at your home. Same way, that's what your brain wants you to do. Stay in that familiar territory, and it resists anything new that you try, any conscious choice that you're making which is outside of your default behaviors and patterns. Now, how does that show? That mental resistance, that physical resistance. So you will see that in your, you'll feel that discomfort mentally. You will go on thinking, I shouldn't do this, this is not right, maybe I can try this later, ऐसी क्या urgency है, abhi there are too many other things to do, let me not do this, what if the results are not good, yeah? And you will go on thinking, you will just go on and you'll be in that spiral. And physically, maybe, you'll experience that anxiety. You will experience, unease, maybe in the form of, you may have a headache, you may have a slight pain here and there. That is all a sign, it's a manifestation of that, the resistance that you are experiencing. So, that is why you do not consistently take actions as easily. इसीलिए इतना आसान नहीं होता है, मुश्किल होता है, और आप करके छोड़ देते हो. तो इसका तरीका क्या है अब? So the whole thing is that first to accept and understand that it's not about you. So stop shaming yourself. अपने आप को मारना बंद करो, अपने आप को क्वेश्चन करना बंद करो, अपने आप को ब्लेम करना बंद करो. It's our design, that's how we are. We all are like that, right? Number 2, once you've seen that this is how I operate, now taking those little steps. I would say at times, we have to kind of fool our brains, if I may use that word. अपने brain को trick करना होता है, not even fool, I would say. That, okay, I'm not going for a change, I'm not going for a different behavior, so don't get threatened. So taking those baby steps, one small step at a time, and taking it every day, will help you go beyond that resistance. So whatever space that you are in, any new habit that you're trying to inculcate, or anything that you're trying to go beyond, कोई डर है आपका, कोई habit है which is not serving you, a pattern, a belief of yours is not working for you, just start by taking those simple steps, little steps. आज किया, कल भी किया, परसों भी किया, every day. And before you know, that will become the new familiar for the brain. It will become the new pattern which will grow bigger and bigger, and hence there won't be threat for the brain anymore. It will become familiar, and that's where it becomes habit, it becomes a part of you. Yeah, and you will not feel out of place. You will feel, yes, this is me, this is part of me, right? So go ahead, do that. Don't get bogged down by मेरे बस की नहीं है, मुझसे नहीं होगा, and then you shaming yourself. No. Understand? Everybody does that. That's how we are designed, or design हम बदल नहीं सकते हैं. So that's it. Now, how do you play with this? That's the point. I hope you found this meaningful. If you did, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. There are 2 new videos published here every day. I'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.